Hey creators, welcome back to Alt Buzz. Today's video might just change everything we know about entry-level mirrorless cameras. Our trusted sources have revealed something huge coming from Nikon, and trust me, you won't want to miss this one. After spending weeks gathering information from multiple industry insiders, we've uncovered details about what could be the most exciting camera launch of 2025. If you've been waiting for the perfect affordable camera to kickstart your content creation journey, this video could be the most important one you'll watch this year. Nikon is reportedly preparing to launch something that could shake up the entire entry-level mirrorless market, the Nikon Z30 II. And let me tell you, what we've learned about this camera is absolutely mind-blowing. We've seen Nikon make bold moves before, but nothing quite like this. According to our reliable sources in the industry, Nikon has been quietly working on this game-changing successor to their popular Z30. The timing couldn't be better, as the creator economy is booming and more people than ever are looking for that perfect hybrid camera that can handle both stills and video without breaking the bank. But before we dive deep into these exciting revelations, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with the latest camera news and rumors. Let's start with what might be the biggest upgrade. Our sources suggest that while the Nikon Z30 II will retain the 20.9 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, they've completely revamped the processing engine. We're hearing reports of improved color science that could rival cameras costing twice as much. The current Z30 already delivers stunning image quality, but these improvements could take things to a whole new level. Our sources mention that Nikon has developed a new AI-powered image processing algorithm that can analyze scenes in real time to optimize exposure and color reproduction. This could be a game-changer for creators who don't want to spend hours color grading their footage. The low-light performance is reportedly getting a significant boost too. We're hearing whispers about an expanded native ISO range that could go up to 51,200, with improved noise reduction algorithms that maintain detail even at higher sensitivities. This could make the Z30 II a serious contender for nighttime vlogging and low-light event photography. Speaking of improvements, the video capabilities are where things get really interesting. While the current Z30 shoots beautiful 4K video at 30 frames per second, our sources indicate the Z30 II might push this even further. We're hearing whispers of 4K 60 frames per second recording capabilities, something that would be absolutely game-changing at this price point. But that's not all. There are rumors of a new high-efficiency codec that could allow for longer recording times without overheating, addressing one of the few criticisms of the original model. Imagine having that kind of slow-motion flexibility in your vlogs while maintaining the same excellent detail and color reproduction. The autofocus system is reportedly getting a major overhaul too. The current Z30's hybrid autofocus system is already impressive, but our sources suggest Nikon has developed an enhanced eye and face detection algorithm that could be up to 40% faster. They're apparently introducing advanced subject recognition that can track not just humans and animals, but also vehicles and other objects, a feature typically reserved for higher-end cameras. We're hearing exciting reports about a new predictive tracking algorithm that can maintain focus even when subjects temporarily leave the frame, perfect for action sequences and sports photography. But here's where it gets even more exciting. Remember how the original Z30 offered 11 frames per second continuous shooting? Well, our trusted contacts hint at a possible boost to 14 frames per second with full autofocus tracking. That's approaching professional sports camera territory. And it gets better. There's talk of a new pre-capture buffer mode that starts recording images before you fully press the shutter button, ensuring you never miss that crucial moment. The physical design is reportedly getting some thoughtful upgrades too. While maintaining the compact, vlogger-friendly form factor, Nikon has supposedly improved the grip ergonomics and added a second custom function button, something many creators have been asking for. The 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen is said to be getting an upgrade to a higher resolution panel with improved brightness for better outdoor visibility. Our sources mention a new anti-reflective coating that could make the screen up to 40% more visible in bright sunlight. The build quality is reportedly receiving attention as well. While keeping the camera lightweight, Nikon has supposedly reinforced key areas with a new magnesium alloy framework, improving durability without adding significant weight. We're also hearing about enhanced weather sealing, not full weatherproofing like their professional cameras, but enough to give creators more confidence when shooting in challenging conditions. Connectivity-wise, we're hearing about some serious improvements. Along with the standard Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, there are rumors of built-in live streaming capabilities with support for vertical video formats, perfect for TikTok and Instagram creators. The wireless connectivity is supposedly getting upgraded to Wi-Fi 6 compatibility, enabling faster file transfers and more stable remote control capabilities. The battery life is reportedly getting a boost too, with sources suggesting up to 400 shots per charge, up from 330 on the current model. There's also talk of USB-C charging while shooting, addressing one of the biggest pain points for long-form content creators. Storage options are reportedly expanding too. While the single SD card slot remains, we're hearing it might support the faster UHS-2 standard, allowing for faster buffer clearing and more reliable high bitrate video recording. There are also rumors of a clever new proxy recording feature that simultaneously creates smaller files for easier editing while maintaining the full quality originals. The audio capabilities aren't being left behind either. Our sources indicate that Nikon has developed a new advanced audio processing system with improved wind noise reduction and the ability to focus audio recording on specific subjects, similar to what we've seen in some smartphone cameras, but optimized for more professional use. The built-in microphone is reportedly getting an upgrade too, with a new 3-capsule array for better stereo separation and clearer voice recording. Now here's the part that might surprise you the most: the price. Despite all these improvements, our sources indicate Nikon is aiming to keep this incredibly competitive. While the current Z30 launched at $707 body only, we're hearing the Z30 II might land at around $750. That's a minimal increase considering the massive upgrades. This aggressive pricing strategy could be Nikon's way of capturing a larger share of the growing content creator market. The release date? Our sources point to a mid-2025 launch, possibly coinciding with a major photography trade show. This timing would make perfect sense given Nikon's typical product cycle and would position the Z30 II perfectly for the summer vlogging season. We're also hearing whispers about some exciting kit lens options, including a possible new ultra-compact zoom lens designed specifically for vlogging. If these rumors prove accurate, the Nikon Z30 II could be the camera that finally bridges the gap between entry-level and enthusiast gear. It's shaping up to be an absolute game-changer for content creators who want professional features without breaking the bank. The combination of improved video capabilities, better autofocus, enhanced connectivity, and thoughtful design upgrades could make this the go-to camera for the next generation of content creators. What do you think about these potential upgrades? Are you excited about the Nikon Z30 II? Would these features be enough to make you switch from your current camera? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to send a super thanks to support the channel and consider joining our membership program for exclusive behind-the-scenes content and early access to our videos. Until next time, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.